Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I've got 100 grams of dark chocolate, and I'm going to make this into giant chocolate sprinkles to decorate a cake I'm making. When we first buy chocolate, it's tempered. It has a nice snap, it has a good shine. And if we melt it and the temperature gets too high, then we have to try and get it back into temper, which we can do, but it's quite a long process. So the trick to using small amounts of chocolate like this is not to let it get out of temper in the first place by not heating it too much. So I've heated it first of all for 30 seconds in the microwave. It's slightly warm to the touch, but it certainly isn't hot. Another 20 seconds and it's starting to melt. I'm keeping it moving so there's no hot spots. Keep moving it about with your fingers. Then another 10 seconds. And keep doing it for 10 seconds until there's only tiny little lumps in there. And if you move them around enough, it'll all become melted. You can make all sorts of patterns with this. Let's just snip a tiny bit off the end first. I'm just going to make long strands today. But what you could do is print out a pattern sheet, put it underneath the baking paper and make your own patterns. My hand isn't steady enough for that anymore, so this is a nice simple one. This 100 grams should do 2 baking trays, and that should be plenty to decorate my cake. Now, dark chocolate is the easiest one to do this with, because dark chocolate goes out of temper at a higher temperature than either milk or white chocolate. White is notoriously the most difficult because it goes out of temper at a much lower temperature. It can be done, it just needs a little bit more care. Now, when these have been in the fridge, you can tell they've stayed in temper because they snap really nicely and they don't bend. Then I'll just pop them into here and leave them in the fridge until I'm ready to use them. Well, that's all from me for today. A short little video for you. Have a good week, take care. Catch you soon.